Determine your audience before branding your business. This applies to all marketing processes. The main thing is always to determine who is your target audience.
Aha!
For example, if you want to market products to people between 60 and 75 years old, both men and women, you will need to use a somewhat conservative message and use many visual elements. It becomes much more easy to develop your branding when you know the type of tone, culture, and voice of your audience.
Yes!
Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way you will receive alerts in your YouTube account and your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email a free internet marketing PDF report every Monday. These reports are concise and easy to read. They will help you quickly understand the information you need to promote your business online. So be sure to subscribe to my mailing list as well. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.